How's it going, everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we are jumping into the second video of our 4-video series of my online free weight loss course. If you haven't already, check out the first video from this course teaching you everything you need to know about weight loss. So in this video we're going to be jumping into macronutrients and understanding macronutrients and how we can set up the perfect diet plan for you and your body type to get you losing fat exactly how you want. So let's jump into it right now. So why is tracking my macronutrients so important to my weight loss? Well, it's simple. Macronutrients are the 3 main sources of calories that your body needs to survive and thrive. So having the ability to be able to control the types of nutrients that are going into your body to control your weight loss is comparable to being able to see your opponent's hand in blackjack. The game is already won before you started. Now let me help you understand what macronutrients are. So your macronutrients are the nutrients that need to be consumed on a larger scale on a daily basis. So there are 3 main macronutrients, and those 3 macronutrients are proteins, fats, and carbs. 1 gram of protein is equal to 4 calories. 1 gram of carbs is equal to 4 calories as well. However, 1 gram of fat is equal to 9 calories. So protein, as we all know, is responsible for them gains. They also happen to be the building block for your bones, tissues, blood, cartilage, skin, all of that. Now, secondly, we have our fats. Now, fats, aka fatty acids, are not naturally produced by your body. Fats are essential for storing energy, insulating body heat, and keeping those organs protected. The same organs that we try to ruin with alcohol. Fats also help regulate and maintain a healthy hormonal balance. And last but not least, our favorite macronutrient, carbohydrates. Now, as we all know, carbs taste amazing. And did you know that you should not eat less carbs if you want to lose weight? Now that's a huge misconception I will get into later. Now let me explain how carbs work. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into simple sugars, which are then absorbed into the bloodstream. As the sugar levels rise in your body, your pancreas releases a hormone called insulin. Insulin is needed to move sugar from the blood into the cells, where the sugars can be used as an energy source. So basically, carbs keep us full and energized throughout the day. Now, if your macronutrient balance is too high, you will gain weight and become obese. However, if they are too low, then your hormones will be out of balance, you will be grouchy, you'll be hungry, you'll be irritable, which is not good. So let's avoid the both of them. So now that we know a little bit more about macronutrients, let me help you find your macronutrients so you can set up a diet plan that will help you lose fat effectively without going over your macros or under your macros. Now go to Google, type in free macro calculator, and it doesn't matter which one you use, the algorithm is all the same. For this example, I'm going to be using IIFYM calculator. Once you have filled out all of the information, it should give you back your macros. Now, right here it says that my TDEE, also known as total daily energy expenditure, is 2,855 calories. Now this means that my body, with everything that I entered into this calculator, my body's going to burn around 2,800 calories per day. If I want to lose weight, I'm gonna have to eat, obviously, less calories. Personally, I would not recommend starting any lower than a 500 caloric deficit. On the other hand, if I wanted to bulk up and put on muscle, I would eat more than what my TDEE is. And it's really that simple, guys. Now, using the information from this video, you now have the knowledge to go out, find your macronutrients. It's broken down into the amount of proteins, fats, and carbs you need to consume every day. And now you can sit down and write out a meal plan, and you will know exactly for breakfast, lunch, and dinner what you're gonna eat, how many calories is in your breakfast, how many calories is in your lunch, how many calories is in your dinner, and you should come out to the same amount of calories every day. And if you have set up your meal plan to come out a few hundred calories less than what your TDEE is, then you will for a fact lose weight. Also, I want to add real quick, if you guys want to find out the macros for that are in the foods that you guys want to put into your meal plan, you can simply go on to MyFitnessPal, and they have a program in their website that allows you to look up foods, and it'll give you exactly the serving size and the amount of proteins, fats, and carbs in every food. So once you have that inputted, then you can start creating your meal plan, and you will know exactly how much calories is in the 4 eggs that you're about to eat. And then in those 4 eggs, it'll break it up into this many carbs, this many fats, and this many proteins. I hope you guys really like this video. Drop a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be uploading videos all the time on my weight loss journey and helping you guys reach your weight loss journey. Also, I want to mention, check out the full-length course that I have down in the description. It is absolutely mind-blowing. I lost over 100 pounds, and now it's my turn to help give back and give you guys the opportunity to do the same thing. Maybe you don't don't need to lose 100 pounds, maybe you just need to lose like 20 or 30 pounds, that is a piece of cake. Check out the full-length course down in the description, guys, and I will see you guys next time.